All right, we haven't had dessert in the kitchen for a long time, so tonight it's dessert. And this is very creamy deliciousness. This is called, I call this pineapple cheesecake mousse. And there's only 5 ingredients required. It's really simple and easy to make. And look at that. Oh, there you go. Cheesecakey flavor with the pineapple, but also kind of a mousse texture. Perfect. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. All right, so there are only 5 ingredients in this dessert. Fantastic, easy to make. All right, what we got across the front here is a 1/4 cup of icing sugar, a 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Over here, I've got 8 ounces or 230 grams of cream cheese. Yes, we're back to cream cheese again. And over here, I've got, is it 1, 2, 3, 8 slices. It comes in one of these cans like this. Sliced pineapple, 8 slices. What we're gonna do, okay, first of all, drained. 8 slices drained. Before we say what we do, let's get to the last ingredient, which is 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. That's at 35%. 36%, so around there, cream. All right, so with the pineapple rings, I'm going to use all but one in here and save one aside. And what do we do with the juice? Well, got all that juice. I hate to waste it, so you know what's really good? Put a little bit of Myers rum in there and makes a great little cocktail. That is delicious. Really refreshing. Great little summer drink. So don't waste that stuff. It's perfect with a little something in it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is, like I say, we're gonna take the rings, and all but one of them is gonna go into the blender here to be pureed. A blender or food processor, either's okay. All right, still got a little bit of juice left there, so I'll put that, add that to my drink. A little bit more comes out. And then I hit that, and I just want to puree that. Oops. Forgot I had trouble with this thing last time. All right, after a little cajoling, finally got that somewhat pureed. I don't know what's wrong with this mixer. It's a good mixer too. And it just, I forgot, I did this the other day. We made something and it just kept stopping. Something in the circuitry. Oh well. Anyways, back to this. What I want to do now, with the leftover ring, I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. These will be being used for garnish after it's on top of our cheesecakes or our cheesecake mousses. So we just kind of cut them into small pieces like that. That looks nice. And let's put that aside for now. All right, then I'm going to grab a bowl, that off to one side, grab my wooden spoon, put the cream cheese in here, and the vanilla. Start creaming that just a little bit, and then we're going to work that icing sugar into here. All right, there we go. Start creaming together. Now the icing sugar. Pop that all in there. All right, now in goes our pineapple. All right, now due to our equipment malfunction, that's a rough puree, but that actually just adds texture. So rough puree, smooth puree, either's okay. And now just gonna work that into that cream cheese. It's going to get a little easier to cream now as it starts soaking up some liquid. That's about good. Now off to one side, because what I want to do now is whip the whipped cream. And my usual big bowl is not here today, so we're going to use this guy who kicks around here a little bit. Put that cream in there. What I'm going to do now, start beating this, and I want to beat this until it hits stiff peaks. All right, yeah, that's pretty stiff peaks, good to go. All right, what I'm going to do now is, where's this guy? Let's use him. Make sure we get all this good cream out of the beaters, leaving just a little bit to lick afterwards. Boom. All right, what I do now, oops, how'd that get on the counter? There we go. What I do now is, we can go one way or the other. We can, either way, add one to the other, and then fold them together. All right, and now, just bring it all together. That is looking great. Okay. I'll get you guys off to one side here for right now. Let's see. Right, there's a clean spot. All right, I got a couple of these guys here, and a couple of small ones. And what we're gonna do is just spoon that into these, I can't remember their names right now, into these pots. Oh my, totally slipped my mind. Yeah, gone. Okay. There's a couple pieces of pineapple in there that did not get pureed because our malfunction here, but that would be a nice little flavor surprises inside there. All right, a surprisingly perfect fit. Okay, so now we're just going to take these little pieces of pineapple, just arrange a few on top of each one. Gives it a nice little bit of color. Now let's see, make one of those uneven, someone's going to fight, so, oh, there we go. All right, there we go. Pineapple cream cheese mousse. Enjoy. Now, what you want to do with these is, I'm going to stick them in the refrigerator for a while, just chill them. They're pretty good as is right now. Very moussey. But we're going to chill them down a little bit and just keep them in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve them up for dessert. Dessert's going to be a couple of hours. See? Right there. All right. So enjoy these delicious, creamy, and easy to make. Well, when that thing works. All right. If you like this recipe, stick around and make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more original Kevin Riley Kuma's Kitchen recipes here on the channel, and there's many more coming. And if you're not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen, well, consider becoming one. For as little as $3 a month, you can be supporting all this and get all the cool stuff that the patrons get right now. All right, now go make these and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.